इलाज बहुत सोपा। ऐसा करो तुम्हारे चरण।
Hi friends and good morning to all. I hope you had a very good trading day. Yesterday was the Fin Nifty expiry. Today we have the Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry. So Bank Nifty especially is at all-time high. If you notice, Bank Nifty is getting rejected exactly at 44,480 levels and closing below the same. So, should be short is something which all of us would be, thinking of, uh, because this all-time high is not getting reached. There is not much of volumes. If you see, the market is very uh, flattish. If you see yesterday, the Fin Nifty. Let's look at the daily candle. Yes, in the last it did pull up. Okay, all right. However, uh, it it took a long time for it to pull up. So a lot of things are there in the mind. Most of us. Again, Fin Nifty also is at all-time high. Uh, so let us see how we should be trading today and how we traded yesterday and how we made profit. Uh, we traded. I think we had two trades. I mean, we were scalping 19,950 call. Though we planned to take this 19,550 the next coming expiry, uh, which of course only gave some 10-15 points. We figured out that the market is flattish, and a lot of patience will be tested. Last trade was really good. We were able to capture a very good profit in that. Uh, in fact, we took and we were able to get the exact target. Uh, Initially, we were trading 19,550 at 18. We booked at 39, and then at 44 we added again, and then we took a risky wait for 60 levels. Now 44, add at 28, we added at 28, and then exited at 58. So overall, we were able to capture, but yes, at the last half an hour of the market, you can say, almost. You see the timings here. It was after two. We traded. Of course, we did trade this, but initially we were only trading for 10 points or 12 points, with big quantities. So today, how we should be trading? Let us look at that. If you see the pattern, uh, there's a good trend line here. It is taking support. Uh, if you look at the uh, uh, so this support is very crucial. If once it moves below this, then there is some kind of a selling which can pressure which can come. Uh, Having said that, you also need to understand that it is very flattish. On the upside, if the price sustains above this level of 18,730, I'm talking about the future. So let's look at the spot rather. Uh, if the Nifty price or sort if sustains above 18,650 or 656, then there will be a huge buying pressure also. But the pattern, if I see the Nifty spot, looks little like a rising wedge, and there is a chance that market can also move down. Having said that, we will not get into any assumptions. We would just look at how the price moves, which we follow price action. What is price action? Price action is very simple. If you see here, the price is taking support, right? It took support here on 29th May. Again, it took support on 30th May. So we will look at how it reacts at the supply at the demand zones, uh, what market wants to do. We will also look at open option chain. Option chain today, yes, if you see, it is very clogged. There is a lot of, I think, bullish, long. Uh, uh, we see there's a lot of put writers who are added at 18600 levels in Nifty, and of course, market is just above that. And if you look at Bank Nifty, there is a lot of call writers at 44,500. Of course, there is of course put writers, but additions. If you see the more a lot of call writers exited, and there is a call writer at 44,400 also. And in fact, yes, there was a few reductions in that call writers here, and then additions of put writers. So market can be very range bound until this writers, if market moves either wise, either opens gap down or gap up, then these writers will have to exit. And of course, based on price action, we will decide how to trade. So we have couple of stocks. So today we have Mahindra and Mahindra. Uh, if Mahindra M&M 1320 moves above, yes, 38, then I was looking at targets of 50 plus. And TCS, if 3300 call moves above 71, 72, then I'm looking at targets of 80 plus. Hero Motocorp, I'm slightly looking at the bearish side. If you still see the pattern, also this looks like a M pattern. However, 2800 put moves above 68, and I'm looking at targets of 80 plus. Gujarat Gas, I am looking at 5,000, sorry, 500 call above 2021, then I'm target of 25 plus. Godrej Properties, 1,300 put if moves above 1314, or 1,380 put also moves, substantially, then I'm looking at targets of 16 plus. MGL has been very bullish. Uh, if this moves over 1,000, no, if this moves above, if this sustains above 1,054 and 56, then we should be able to see 1060. Our pharma yesterday gave a very good bullish run in the first 15 minutes and has been sustaining. If this moves below 644, then I will look to short. Uh, Bandhan Bank, also, if moves below 265, then I'm looking at target of 262 on intraday. Kotak, 1974. If moves below 1964 or 1963, then I'm looking at targets of 1950. Bajaj Finance is very bullish, slightly tough counter to trade intraday. But yes, if we get a nice up move, if it sustains above 66958 and 6681, then again we should be seeing a little uh, high of 7025 or 28. So thanks viewers for joining in. I hope our channel has been helpful. Next week, we will look at the best indicator or which we can trade with. We will have a series. We will look at different indicators, which are the best ones, how they work, and see how best this channel can be helpful. Uh, Thanks for your time. If you have any queries, please do ask. Uh, HDFC Bank, as I had mentioned, I think today, it gave a good, nice. Last week, it gave a nice gap up. It is taking good support here at 1597 levels and moving upwards. So, if this support sustains, if this trend line support sustains, then I think we should again be bullish on this counter for the short term to long term. Long term, yes, we are definitely bullish. We're looking at 2,200 plus levels. Uh, Reliance Industries, I had few queries. People are asking which stock should I add. I think one is the Reliance, the other is Hind Copper, because Hind Copper, one, it gives dividends, and it's a good right now at a good level to add. Uh, Bajaj Consumer, I think we should be looking to add. Wipro, it's a good stock. I think we should be looking to add for the long term perspective. Thank you all. We will have another video separate for this, and God bless.